Hi, I'm Alan O'Neill, owner and president of Abacus Plumbing Company, and here's another tip from Abacus Plumbing.
A tankless water heater is more energy efficient and economical to operate than a regular tank type. According to the DEO's Office of Energy Efficiency and Renewable Energy, water heating is the third largest expense in most homes, accounting for 14 to 25% of a home's expenses, which means energy-conserving hot water solutions could result in big cost savings for homeowners in this difficult economy. Unlike a traditional tank that heats a reservoir of water 24 hours a day, a tankless unit activates only as needed. Call Abacus Plumbing. You can count on us.